In response to what has appeared in the media today, and specifically in the Daily Nation front page. Now, the media seems to be implying that there are already two camps that are developing in ODM. Two camps which are purportedly led by Honorable Governor Oparanya and Governor Hassan Ali Joho. What has really surprised me, and which I've taken great exception to, is the attempt to assign me a camp or to put me in a camp. Something that I totally denounce. I want to make it very clear. First and foremost, there are no camps that I know of in ODM. There are no camps and there are no factions in ODM. ODM remains one indivisible movement under the able leadership and guidance of His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga. So the issue of camps could simply be a figment of the imagination of our detractors, or those who don't wish us well as a movement. But even if there were to be factions or camps in ODM, I, Opiyo Wandayi, cannot identify myself with any particular faction or camp in my party, for the reason that that would be beneath me, since I am the leader of the entire Azimio coalition in the National Assembly. I cannot reduce myself to identifying with factions within a party in the coalition. Because in my capacity as the leader of the Azimio coalition in the National Assembly, I am supposed to be a symbol of unity. I am supposed to be the rallying factor for all our members, not only in ODM, but in the entire Azimio coalition, which, as you know, comprises of very many other political parties. So I am not a party to any such camps or factions, and I will not be, now and in the future. I also want to make it abundantly clear, and for the upteenth time, that Raila Odinga remains our leader. He remains the leader of ODM. And my view is that he continues to be the leader of ODM even after he clinches the African Union Commission chairmanship, if circumstances can allow for that. If the situation can allow for that. So therefore, the question of people clamoring to replace him as leader of ODM cannot arise. Cannot arise now, and cannot arise in the future. But in the event, for whatever reasons, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga chooses to step aside from the leadership of ODM upon clinching the African Union Commission chairmanship, then the field shall be open. I want to debunk very strongly this notion this false narrative of something akin to what we call duopoly in marketing, okay? Some artificial dichotomy that if by any chance a vacancy arises in the leadership of ODM, then it will be for two persons to compete. Nothing could be further from the truth. If such a situation were to avail itself, if such a situation were to present itself, then everybody else would be free to aspire to lead ODM. And everybody here means life members of ODM. In fact, even myself. When that time comes, who knows? I may present my name